Siemens has purchased Atlas 3D. Siemens is a Fortune 100 company. They're one of the largest companies in the world. They are one of the biggest players in additive manufacturing. What we do is we build software that helps those that want to print parts in metal.
So here at Notre Dame, in collaboration with Itamco, a local company down in Plymouth, Indiana, we developed an algorithm that would help make additive manufacturing or 3D printing of metal components faster and more effective. I worked very closely with David Helsley, who is a professor at Ohio State University, Hao Peng, who was a postdoc at Notre Dame but is now currently at Atlas 3D and Itamco, and Rick Billow, who's in the Office of Research here at the University of Notre Dame. So 3D printing has been a major innovation in manufacturing because it allows people to print parts and components of arbitrary shape and complex shapes that they couldn't have made otherwise using conventional or traditional means. But one of the big challenges is that when you have a very complex or odd shape, was how do you print it so that it has the right properties that you need the part to have, especially when you think of something that's going to be used in the aerospace or medical industries. What used to be done is that someone would have to print many parts and test them. What we've developed instead is a software and an algorithm to actually predict the physics of this and allow you to digitally simulate 1,000 builds and pick what's the best build.
So in a nutshell, Atlas 3D optimizes the orientation of a part for printing in metal. Siemens has over 500 of these million-dollar metal printers. Not many people know that. As they integrate Atlas 3D, we plan to change that.
So Atlas 3D being acquired by Siemens is the first step of what we hope will be many of these kinds of acquisitions, the development of companies, eyes on this region, growth in investors, growth in entrepreneurs, so that we can create an innovation ecosystem in here that is self-generating and self-perpetuating.
I'll just express my gratitude to the those that had vision, like Gary Neidig at Itamco, who was our biggest backer through this whole thing, like Elevate Ventures, like First Source as they got this engine started, and most especially the University of Notre Dame. They have always done things right. And the engine that they've started at the Idea Center is no exception. They've done it right. And I'm thrilled that Brian Ritchie and his staff have come in and figured out how to de-risk some of these opportunities. And we're excited.
And I think that what's really significant about this is that it's the first time that we've gotten the community with Notre Dame around a technology all the way across the finish line with a Fortune 100, actually a Fortune 50 company to acquire the technology. So validating Notre Dame's technology development, validating the de-risking and development of that with the university, and then also the structure and the company and the operation with Chad and Itamco. And that partnership is really powerful in terms of how we can replicate that, both with Itamco, with Simba Chain as we go forward, but also with other companies in the region.